in SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Dear learners, today we are going to start a chapter in biology, control and coordination. This is a very important chapter for class 10th, and here we will see how the brain works as the major important coordinating organ for the complete body. So let us start with the chapter control and coordination. Now, the first topic that we will deal over here is stimulus. What is a stimulus? Stimulus is anything which potentiates us to take a action. So, for example, while playing football, there is a coordination between eyes for observation of ball, brain for analyzing these observation, and muscles for giving proper response to the movement of the ball. So, the stimulus is any action that we take. Now let us see over here in this picture that a puppy is there and the stimulation is that saliva is coming out from the mouth of the puppy because he is seeing the food, and as he sees the food there is salivation which comes out from the mouth of the puppy. So here the stimulus is the aroma or the smell coming out of the food because of which the puppy is salivating. So we can say that every organism responds and reacts to the changes in the surroundings, and that is called as stimulus. Now, another definition of stimulus is any changes in the environment to which the organism responds is also called as a stimuli. So the stimuli can be of two types. It can be an external stimuli or it can be an internal stimuli. Stimulus over here, you can see that a hammer is being thrown on the knee of a person, because of which there is a stimulus in the brain muscles and the leg is jerking. So this is an example of an external stimulus. External stimulus is due to the environmental factors like heat, light, sound, water, wind, etc. Here in this diagram we can see that the movement of the muscle because of the stimulus is a response of the person. Now, coordination in animals. In all the animals belonging to coelenterate to mammals, multicellular control and coordination of the body function is enabled by the specialized cells which are called as neurons. So in higher metagens, the neurons or the nerve cells are organized to form the nervous system. Coordination in animals, we can see the brain is connected to the spinal cord and the spinal cord is then connected to the different nerves. In animals belonging to arthropoda to mammalia, there is an endocrine system and also in addition to the nervous system. The nervous system responds to various stimulus. The nervous and the endocrine systems are collectively called as neuroendocrine system. Let us see the nervous control in lower animals. In coelentrates, the nervous system is diffuse type, example in hydra. In the above picture, you can see the hydra has mouth and tentacles. In platyhelminthes, the ladder type nervous system is present, example tapeworm and liver fluke. In annelids, a well-organized centralized nervous system is present, and this consists of circumphalangeal nerve ring and a nerve cord. As we go higher in the later organisms, for example the mammals, the nervous system keeps on developing. Let us see the nervous control in higher animals. In higher organisms, three types of systems coordinate with one another, and these are the receptor system, the nervous system, and the effector system. Nervous control in higher animals is brought about by the receptor systems, and they are formed by receptor or sense organs. These receptors are made up of highly specialized cells which receive stimuli and change them into appropriate nerve impulse, which is carried to the central nervous system by the nerve fibers. Nervous control in higher animals is of 6 basic types depending upon the different type of receptors. They are photoreceptors for light located in the eyes, phonoreceptors for sound located in the internal ears, olfactory word means smell, so for smell located in the nasal chambers, gustatory receptors for taste located in the taste buds on the tongue, and tangoreceptors for touch located in the skin. Besides this, we are having thermoreceptors for changes in temperature located in the skin. Nervous coordination in higher animals is analyzing the sensory nerve impulses and initiates the appropriate motor nerves, which are called to appropriate effector organ by nerve fibers of motor nerves. You can see the different glands present in the brain respond accordingly. Now see the nervous control in higher animals. The effector system is found of effector organs which includes muscles and glands and give the response. Example, contraction and relaxation of the muscles and switch on and switch off of the glandular secretions which are present in the brain is responsible for the coordination system of the body. Here in the picture it is given the nervous system of the man. The function of the nervous system is to coordinate the activities of our body. It is the control system of all functions and behaviors present in the body. Nervous system of the man receives information from the surroundings and this interprets and responds accordingly. The nervous system also passes information from one internal organ to other. For example, as we put or see the mouth, the food near us, then the salivation occurs. So this is an example of the response in order to the stimulus. The nervous system of the man is basically made up of three types of nervous system, that is central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system. The neuron. This is the diagram of the neuron. In our brain and spinal cord, millions of neurons are there. The circular part which you can see in the center is also called as the axon. And then the cell body is there and ending with the axon terminal. The neuron is the functional and structural unit of the nervous system. A neuron in a nerve cell with its all branches is the longest cell in the human body and can be 100 centimeter long. For your information, dear learners, there is an important fact that the nerve cells once get damaged cannot be replenished back. Now, the neuron over here is actually divided into three parts: the cyton, the dendrites and the axon. The long chain-like structure is called as the axon and the central body is called as the cell body. This was all in the slide for control and coordination, and I'll be coming with very important knowledge videos in the coming session, and also very important subject videos will be shared by you, and I'll be sharing the second part of control and coordination for the subject video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you really like it then please share and subscribe. Thank you once again.